Let's configure an Ethernet door controller. Select your customer, and then select their cloud node. From the dashboard, select the Configuration tab. To configure an Ethernet door controller, select the Connection tab. Then select the plus icon. Choose the Ethernet option and give the controller a name. Enter the IP address that was assigned by using the Lantronix Discovery tool. This process was discussed in a previous lesson. Select Add. The next screen will display the Ethernet device and the information you added. Select the back arrow and you will now see the Ethernet device. If there is a red dot, an error has occurred. Make sure you enter the correct IP address and that you have a reliable network connection. If the dot is green, the Ethernet device has been connected to the system. Next, program a door to the added Ethernet device. Select the Devices tab and choose the plus icon. Give your door a name. Select your new connection and choose the port the door is connected to. Hit Add. PDK-IO will redirect you to the settings screen of that door. From here, you will be able to trip the relay by adding and closing the door. If this door needs to unlock and relock at set times, you can program an auto-open schedule from the auto-open tab in the main dashboard. An additional feature allows the door to only go into its auto-open state if a user scans their badge. This setting can be programmed by choosing Enabled under the Auto-Open After First Allow setting. Disable this rule by simply toggling the same switch. The name, connection type, and port of the door will be displayed and can be edited at any time. The door can be programmed to require specific authentication. To do this, select the Authentication Policy drop-down menu and select your desired authentication policy. A delay is the amount of time that passes when a user scans their credential and the door unlocks. Set this time in the delay box. The dwell time is the length of time that the door will remain unlocked. Set this time in the dwell box. Note, the delay and dwell times are set in tenths of seconds. If this door has a door position sensor attached, select DPS. A prop alarm option becomes available when DPS is selected. To set the prop alarm time, select the prop alarm box and set the prop delay. If a request to exit device has been typed into the board, select the Rex box. When selected, an option for a forced alarm will be available. The door settings screen will also show what partitions, if any, that the door is a member of. Programming partitions will be covered in a later lesson. Be sure to save the door settings by selecting the Save button at the top of the screen.